Hey everyone, the Aoostar Maco Mini PC is the latest entry in the compact computing space, bringing with it an appealing balance of sleek design, premium build quality, and impressive performance capabilities. At first glance, the Maco immediately stands out for its elegant Apple Mac Mini-like appearance, crafted entirely from CNC-milled aluminum alloy. This choice of material not only gives it a premium, minimalist aesthetic, but also ensures durability while keeping the weight down to just 0.6 kilos. One of the most notable engineering achievements in the Maco Mini PC is its advanced thermal management system, dubbed Glacier 4.0. This design allows the Maco to maintain consistent performance without thermal throttling, a common challenge in smaller PCs, and also helps keep noise levels under control. In terms of hardware options, Aoostar has given users a choice between two powerful processors, the Ryzen 7 H255 and the Ryzen 7 Pro 8845HS. The Ryzen 7 H255 features 8 cores and 16 threads. Integrated with AMD Radeon 780M graphics based on the RDNA 3 architecture, the Maco is well suited for light to moderate gaming. Storage and memory configurations are generous and flexible. The Maco supports dual-channel DDR5 laptop memory for optimal bandwidth, and 2M.2 PCIe 4.0x4 slots are available for ultra-fast NVMe SSDs, allowing for expansive storage with read and write speeds that ensure quick boot times and snappy application performance. Where the Maco really begins to distinguish itself in terms of expandability is with its inclusion of dual USB 4 ports, which support up to 40 gigabits per second transfer speeds, 8K video output, and daisy-chaining multiple displays. Connectivity is another area where the Maco excels. It comes with dual 2.5G Ethernet ports, making it ideal for scenarios requiring high-speed wired networking or link aggregation. Wireless connectivity is equally strong, with Wi-Fi 6 for stable, low-latency wireless performance and Bluetooth 5.2 for seamless connection to peripherals. The front panel is equipped with two USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, a USB 4 port, and a 3.5mm audio jack for easy access. On the back, users will find additional USB 4 and USB 2.0 ports, HDMI 2.1, and DisplayPort 1.4 outputs, as well as the dual Ethernet jacks. Security and convenience are also thoughtfully integrated into the Maco's design. The system includes a one-touch fingerprint reader compatible with Windows Hello, allowing users to log in quickly and securely without typing passwords. Pricing is competitive, especially considering the build quality and feature set. The base model with the Ryzen 7 H255 starts at approximately $278, making it an attractive entry point for users who want a capable mini PC without overspending. Overall, the Aoostar Maco Mini PC combines striking design, excellent thermal engineering, and a wide array of modern features in a compact package. It offers a level of performance and expandability that is rare in its size class, making it suitable for creative professionals, multitaskers, and even casual gamers who want a small yet powerful system. Its combination of portability, premium build, and thoughtful hardware choices makes it one of the most compelling mini PC options currently available, especially for those seeking a versatile system that can transition seamlessly between work and play. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new mini PC? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.